What's happening, Griddle Nation? Chef Nathan Lippy here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys another fun game day appetizer. We're talking about Buffalo Chicken Fritters. They're unbelievably simple and really delicious. You better make a ton because they go quick. You really are going to love this recipe. Let me show you how to make it. We're gonna start with a big bowl, add our diced chicken, some shredded mozzarella, and some blue cheese crumbles. We're also gonna add just a bit of mayo, some all-purpose flour, 1 egg, and some buffalo sauce. I'm also gonna add just a touch of salt and pepper. Now we're gonna mix all of this together to incorporate all of the flour. We don't want any lumps, so make sure you mix this nice and smooth. I've got my Blackstone Griddle set to medium-low. I'm gonna add some olive oil and then small little amounts of our mix. Now you don't need these to be perfectly shaped. You just want them to be nice and thin. They cook really fast. We're talking 3 to 4 minutes per side. Give them a flip, cook another 3 to 4 minutes, and they are finished. I told you, this is a really simple recipe. Now I'm gonna serve this with a little bit of ranch dressing because what goes better with buffalo chicken than ranch, and some more buffalo sauce. Be sure to make a ton of these because people love these and they go fast. I'm telling you, you put these out at your party, they're gonna be gone instantly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love that video as much as I do. It's really simple, and I'm telling you, they're gonna go quick. You might wanna make 2 batches. If you guys want this recipe and a bunch of others, be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.